एक तो मैं बहुत बोलने लगी हूँ. I have to stop using this Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are keeping well, and this time I'm going to be showing you this festive look. So I think I'm a little bit late, but it's just that Diwali is around the corner and बहुत सारे festivals अभी आने वाले हैं, so it will definitely help you out. So yes, and yes, do not miss the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you the whole look of this beautiful kurta which I bought from Bunai. So yes, stay tuned guys, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to it, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon. Yes, let's just start the video. I mean already मैं makeup कर चुकी हूँ, but yes, I'm gonna be showing you what products did I use. So yes, let's just start the video. So first of all, I'm gonna use this Biotique toner. Okay, I will moisturize my face with the help of this. So yes. So after this toner, I'm gonna use this Nivea Soft Cream Milk to moisturize my face. So after moisturizing my face, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal. Okay, it's orange corrector. It's orange corrector, and I mean, it is used to conceal your face, to hide your darkness, hide your blemishes. If you have darkness, so you do not have to use this in a very large amount. A little bit of it will work. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is, this is my beauty blender and this is a gulab gel, and अगर आपने मेरी previous video देखी होगी तो जैसा कि मैंने उसमें किया था, इसमें भी मैं वैसा ही करने वाली हूँ. A little bit of it. Okay, मैंने इसे थोड़ा wet कर दिया है. एक तो मैं बहुत बोलने लगी हूँ. I have to stop using this हर वीडियो में Okay. So आज मैं try करूँगी कि मैं ये ना बोलूँ. Okay. So I'm going to use this Faces Canada foundation. It's a kind of stick. Okay, I hope you can see it. So this works like this. So after this foundation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply eyeshadow on my eyes. So मतलब मुझे foundation से पहले अपनी eyes complete कर लेनी चाहिए थी, but it's just that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि after foundation I should do this. So it's my own technique. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जैसा सब करते हैं वैसा हम करें. So after this foundation, I'm gonna use this concealer, which is from, wait a sec, मैं बताना भूल जाती हूँ. Okay. So I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline, and it's in the shade of 25 medium. It's from Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, and I'm going to use this palette, and it is so inexpensive guys. I mean in 350 rupees you get a lot of shades, and ऐसा नहीं है कि इनकी quality बहुत बेकार है. I love this palette. Look at the shades guys, it's so amazing. So if you in this palette, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so मुझे नहीं पता how it is gonna look, but I will try with this. Okay. Whoa. Eyeliner from Lakme, and I'm going to use this eyeliner. So I think I'm done with this liner, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this mascara from Maybelline. So after this mascara, I'm also going to use white kajal. So I don't know how it looks, but it's just that I wanted to try. So today I'm going to use this white kajal. अगर अच्छा नहीं लगेगा then I'll make it black. So let's just see. Now I'm going to use this concealer from LA Girl, and like it's my shade, which is pure beige. So I'm going to use this, and after this concealer I will also use this Maybelline concealer, which I've also applied on my eyes. So yes, I'll use these two concealers one by one, and then after this I'll use loose powder, okay? So after this I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. So now I'm going to use this Faces Canada compact powder. So now I'm gonna use this blush from Color Bar. So yes guys, मतलब जो मैं contour करती थी आज मैं वो step miss कर रही हूँ क्योंकि I do not feel like contouring my face. I do not know why. So yes, now I'm gonna use this blush from Color Bar. Okay. So after this blush, I'm gonna use this highlighter from Odbo. I think I should buy a new highlighter क्योंकि ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा old हो गया है and you know मुझे new products try करने चाहिए. So now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go with my brows, and for the brows I'm gonna use this brow pencil which is from Miss Claire. What's up? So yes, finally I have changed my outfit, and I have also applied this cute little bindi, and look at my earrings guys. So yes, I wanted to do this festive look, and finally I have done this. Okay, so after this I'm going to apply lip shade. So I'm going to apply this lip shade from Huda Beauty, and I don't know what's its shade, but yes, I'll mention everything when I'll edit this video. So yes, this is how it looks.